Oh, finally we are here in front of this new invention, new feeder by Mr. Sharon here.
Hi.
As we explained in the presentation material which we sent out to you guys a couple of some times ago, this feeder is a multi fruit feeder, which means you can combine different types of fruits and vegetables in only one feeder. I'm going to explain how it works. This feeder contains of a place for 6 magazines or 6 containers. In this particular test, we have mounted only 2 containers or magazines, but of course there are plates for 6. We have one additional here, but for simplicity we only have mounted 2, and we are going to show you later on how this works together with different types of fruits. As you could see from the presentation material, this feeder will be mounted inside an existing squeezing machine, and the whole idea is that you feed this feeder with different types of fruit, either with different type of fruits or only one type of fruit. You can it depends on the request, and the outcome of the feeder is here, where the fruits will end up, and when this feeder is mounted inside the machine, this will be the inside or input for the squeezer part, where you can squeeze fruits. Except those containers, this feeder also contains one electromotor here, which either can be DC or AC, and one electronic device which controls this electromotor. I guess this is all which we need to say about this feeder, because everything else has been explained in that presentation material. Just to show you how this works, we are going to do some tests here. We are going to combine different fruits, and we'll show you how the feeder works and how the outcome will be. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's start with oranges. And carrots. As I mentioned, you can use any kind of fruit: orange, apples, pomegranates, celeries, or any different vegetables or whatever you need. Or just put just one type of fruit here in all those containers. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Let's start. Yeah. As you can see in the basket, we have orange and carrots. For the next test, I guess we can go ahead with tomatoes, maybe. Tomatoes and carrots. Just to be sure that this basket is in the right place. Otherwise, we will have the fruits all over the floor. Tomatoes, yeah. Okay, and carrots. Okay, go ahead. Yeah. As you can see, we have tomato and carrots in the basket. And for the final test, we can try with apples and carrots. So, okay, apples in one container. And carrots in the other. Ready. Perfect. Apple and carrots. So, I guess this is all which we need to say. Anything else has been explained in the presentation material. Thank you for watching this. Thanks.